So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take full screenshot of the video that you watch using VLC Media Player. Now you don't need to take the screenshot from your keyboard that will of the whole screen. That will definitely gonna reduce the pixels of the video. So in order to get the full screenshot, just simply start playing the video that you want to take the screenshot of. Now go to that exact point where of which you want to take the screenshot. Now for example, this is the exact point of which I want the screenshot. Now just simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard, and you'll notice that the VLC Media Player will take a screenshot, and the screenshot will save to your uh, 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 photos, pictures folder, and you can use the full screenshot anywhere with the highest pixels.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.